Hello. This is Els coming to you from Beamish Crafty Corner. And I got a package. I'm going to cover up the address. But I got a package today. And this one's from Tina's Crafty Life. And this is stuff that I bought. Now, I have to say, I'm digging the bag. But, like, the best piece that she sends is, like, covered in tape. You know, this is, like, one of her best mixed media pieces I've ever seen. And it's, like, covered in tape. Kind of depressing. So, I'm going to see if I can get this sucker open. You know? Like, can I make this... Can I open it? I think I can. Because... I love Tina's Mixed Media. And so I'm going to try and save as much of this envelope as I can. And I don't actually like painty paper. I kind of think it's actually sort of a waste, but I like this. This one's cool. I like it. I like it a lot. So, I'm going to save that. Because it's cool. Alright, so this is stuff that I got in the sale that Tina did for the flea market. And she sent me this. And a little embellishment and this little tray, which is really cool. See, it's a little tray. I can put stuff in. I like it. And she sent me a little note. It says, "Thank you for your support and friendship. Hugs from Tina." And then she sent me this. And these are the... calling cards, you know, that we did, and she's been using them to put in her sales stuff, which I think is kind of cool. And she sent me this. I love Tina's backgrounds, and I use them quite a bit for like ATCs and stuff. And so she did a bunch of these. Look at that metallic one, and these are done on photo paper instead of, usually she does Yupo. Look at that, that's gorgeous. Usually she uses Yupo paper, and I kind of mentioned to her, you know, try photo paper because it's pretty close. And so she started doing it on photo paper, and these are awesome. So let's take a look. You guys can hear them in the background. The DEF CONs are here. It's DEF CON weekend, which basically translates to Beam and Pop Pop have all grandchildren on deck all weekend. Alright, so this is regular paint, like painty paper. This is cool. Oh, look at that one. And that one. And this one's paint. Love that. It's got a little bit of shine behind it because of the photo paper, which is really cool. Look at that. And that looks like mountains, you know? Ooh, I like that one too. Okay, so I got some really cool backgrounds, and I love these, and I use them for all kinds of things. So this one, she had these, and these are like art play coloring books from Adorn It, and she's got Calendar Girls, and this one is Love and Faith, and this one was Daisy Delight, and they're like little pictures on watercolor paper. And I thought these were cool. I could watercolor them, you know, because I'm always looking for something to watercolor, you know. Because I love to watercolor. You guys know that. And I can turn these into, like, journaling cards and stick them in my journals. So I thought that was cool. And there was only a couple missing out of each one. Now, this one was missing, like, January, February, and March. So there's April. She'd already colored April. There's May. And I told her, I said, color June for me, because that's my birthday. So I told her, color June for me. So she did this one. Just for me. And this one I'm actually going to keep. And then there's July. August. I love August. September. October. November. And December. I mean, there's a couple of months missing, but the images themselves are cute. So, I grabbed all of those. And I got all this stuff from her sale, which I thought was really cool. And I appreciate her sending me that little note. Hi, Miss Lily. Can you say hi to everybody? Say hi. All right, we'll go get it in a second, okay?
Okay.
So that's what I got, guys, from Tina over at Tina's Crafty Life. If you like, if you're like into the kind of backgrounds and stuff, she does some great work, and these are really inexpensive when she does sell them. So, just a little FYI, and it doesn't matter whether she uses the ink on them or she's using the paint. They're all still just cool. Look at that. I mean, that's just awesome. So I'm going to be using these for some backgrounds for some things that I'm going to be doing. And I'm going to be doing some watercoloring, which we all know I do constantly. So I'm going to be doing some watercolor penciling, and I'm going to be doing some regular watercolor on some of these. That's it, guys. Listen, until I see you again, if you're new here, hey, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button for me, okay? Then do me a favor, like me, ring my bell, share me with all of your friends, and then your friends can be my friends, and my friends can be your friends, and then our friends can get to be friends, and that's what a community is all about. Until I see you again, do me a huge, huge favor, guys. Stay safe, okay? Bye-bye.